Hello world, today you will learn how to do animations in PowerPoint. We will animate this awesome house illustration in just PowerPoint. If you want to know how I created this house scene in just PowerPoint, then be happy. I have already uploaded a video tutorial on this, link of which is given in the description box. Now without wasting your time, let's start the video. This ground line has to come very first, then this stair bottom, and then this wall. Select all these three in the same order by holding Shift button on your keyboard. Go to Animations tab, click on Wipe, open the Animations pane, select stair bottom and wall and start after previous. Select ground line, go to Effect Options, select from left, then stair bottom from right. Next select roof and apply split entrance animation to it. Effect Options, vertical out and start after previous. Now select this Mumti. Then holding down Shift button, select this stair top, door and door lock. Then open up this, click on More Entrance Effects and apply Peek in Entrance Animation. OK. Start after previous, select Door Lock, go to Effect Options and click on From Top. After this, window circle has to come. So apply wheel animation to it. Start after previous and set duration to 0.5 seconds. Now select door lock and copy its animation by clicking on this animation painter. Then paste this animation on window rectangle by just clicking on it. Now when it comes, some blurriness effect at the top of the window is seen. I don't want this effect, so I will hide the blurriness using a rectangle. Fill the rectangle with the same color of the wall and place it like this. And the blurriness is not visible now. Apply Appear animation to this rectangle, as this rectangle should come with the window rectangle, and start with previous. Next, copy the animation of door by selecting it and pressing Alt-Shift-C on your keyboard, and paste the animation on trees by just clicking on them one by one. Then press Escape button on your keyboard to remove the animation painter icon. Duplicate this rectangle by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard. Increase the length and place it here below the ground line like this. And its color should be same as of background, because we don't want to see any animation of trees below the ground line. Next, clouds. Select them and apply flying animation. They should come from top. Start after previous, then right click by selecting these clouds. Go to Effect Options. The animation of clouds should end in a smooth way. Click OK. Now if you play all the animations, you will see animation of one object starts after the completion of the animation of previous object. It is because of this start after previous. But I don't want this. I want that animation of one object should start little before the animation of previous object ends, because it looks nicer to me and it also looks more faster and less boring. So for this, Select all this using Shift key and instead of after previous, start with previous. And now we will set how much delay should be there in animation of each object. That is, after how much time the animation of each object should start. So stair bottom should come after 0.2 seconds, wall 0.5 seconds, roof 0.8 seconds, Mumti 1.1 seconds, stair top 1.3 seconds, door 1.6 seconds, door lock 1.8 seconds, window circle 3 seconds, and for both window rectangle and rectangle, delay should be 2.3 seconds. Tree right left 2.6 seconds, tree right 2.8 seconds, tree left right 3.1 seconds, tree left 3.3 seconds, cloud left 3.6 seconds, cloud middle 3.8 seconds, and cloud right 4 seconds. Now I want clouds to be always in slow motion. So for this, go to Add Animation, scroll up, then under Motion Paths, click on Lines. Click on Effect options and select towards left. Click on this red arrow and holding down Shift button, make the path smaller. Similarly, click on this cloud, then Add Animation, then under Motion Paths, Lines, it should go towards right. Then again, according to your need, you can change the length of path. Select all these three animations and hit enter on your keyboard to open effect options. We don't want a smooth start and a smooth end, so set these to 0. Check this auto reverse. Go to timing. Start with previous. Repeat until end of slide. Then click on OK. Set duration of cloud L 5 seconds, cloud M 20 seconds, and cloud R 10 seconds. The cloud L should be just after cloud L, cloud M after cloud M. Now you see duration of cloud L flying animation is 0.5 seconds. So increase the delay of cloud L motion path animation by 0.5 seconds. So there should be 4.1 seconds delay for cloud L motion path animation. Similarly for cloud M, it should be 4.3 seconds and 4.5 seconds for cloud R. Next are trees. So select all the trees, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Place them exactly over the previous trees. Then press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup them. Then select all these new ungrouped trees and apply Appear animation to them. Start with previous. Now select any object, go to Format tab and open the selection pane. Scroll down and select all the previous grouped trees. Go to Animations tab, click on Add Animation and apply Disappear Animation. Start with previous. Now select these animations of RL tree and place it below RL tree. Do the same with other trees. Now select all these tree leaves using Shift button. Go to Add Animation, then under Motion Paths, click on Lines. Click on Effect options and set this towards left. Then decrease the length of path for all the trees one by one. Select all these 4 animations. Hit enter on your keyboard. No smooth start and smooth end. Check auto reverse. Go to timing. Start with previous. Repeat until end of slide. Now set duration for tree leaves RL to 3.5 seconds. Tree leaves RR to 4.5 seconds, tree leaves LR to 3 seconds, and tree leaves LL to 5 seconds. Then place all these animations below their respective trees. Now increase the delay for all these 4 animations by 0.5 seconds. So 2.6 will become 3.1 seconds. Do the same for other 3 trees. Then move these 4 circles little to the right so that the motion path is in center with respect to trees. So finally it's completed. Thank you so much world for your time. If you are watching till now, see you again. Bye bye.